I'm honestly not as tired as I expected to be. Morning! As my eyes like can't open all the way. Are you hungry? Are you excited for breakfast? Wait. Wait. Okay, eat. I've been on this new routine lately. I don't set alarms to wake up in the morning, and I know that sounds crazy, but I do work from home, and like you would be amazed at like how much your internal body clock actually like understands you. However, the reason I actually do this, because like I would never trust myself to just like wake up when I want to wake up, right, is my dog will always wake me up anywhere between 6 and 7 like every day to eat breakfast and pee and stuff in the morning. So lately I've literally just full on deleted all my alarms, been counting on him, and he gets me up. Today he actually let me sleep in a little bit later, but isn't that funny? My dog is literally my alarm clock. And how he gets me up, I don't know if you noticed, but he will literally just like come sit on me or lay on me. Like I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm doing this crazy new thing today, and it's called a morning workout. So I'm not gonna do any like crazy skincare, but I do just wanna like wet my face and moisturize it. Should we go have greens? I love you. I think my life changed when I discovered and started using greens powders. And I feel like some people probably think they're a little taboo, which that's fair, whatever. You know, they claim to do this and this and this. What do they really do? You know, I don't know. And it's like, why don't you just eat some veggies? I get it, and I do. But I just love to start out my day with them, okay? I've tried a couple different kinds. Bloom is definitely the best tasting one I've tried. I've tried Bellway, which I think is so good for your digestion. I've tried Vital Proteins, which has an insane amount of servings of fruits and vegetables in it. Like citrus is totally just the best. I have mango in my cabinet, which I'll break out once I finish this. I just love starting my day with things I just do. I feel like it's a part of my morning routine that is a reminder and is like a stay on track type of thing, you know? Like, oh, you're drinking your green juice. You're not gonna go make French toast now, you know? Which you can have both, right? You can totally do both. But on a regular weekday, it's just a good reminder, okay? Much better. Okay, well, what's really going on today, which you clearly know by the title, is I'm becoming a morning workout girly, okay? I'm doing it. I'm working out in the morning, and I don't know, if I say I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. However, I love me a good slow morning, and so we're compromising, right? I got up 6:45, but like I'm not like going to work out right now. Like I need a minute, so I'm gonna make coffee and like chill with my dog for a sec. We need a happy medium. You know, part of me just always wanted to be Miss Morning Workout Girly, and I told you time and time again, I just can't. I just like, I'm a morning person, but I'm not necessarily a morning workout person, and you don't have to be both. But I'm just gonna try and see what I can do today. I've been making my own oat milk for my coffee lately. I have mixed feelings. It doesn't really froth up and it's not very creamy, but first things first, because I haven't made breakfast, protein coffee, I find that if I mix it in a cup before I put it in the frother, it's less likely to burn, because I've had it get clumpy and like burn in my frother before. See, like it just doesn't exactly froth. I don't know, I gotta figure it out. I just really wanted to try making my own oat milk because I wanna know like everything that's in there. I don't want there to be like crazy additives or anything. So it's literally oats, water, and vanilla extract. I love this part of my day. Okay, so it's still early, like not even 8 o'clock. We're still on track, we're doing good. But a way to ease into this is I am going to take Duncan on our walk. We're gonna walk him. Number one, you know, get the body warmed up. Maybe when I get back, I'll be like, yes, let's do it. But number two, I want him to be tired when I work out so that he's not like terrorizing the house, you know? However, I got a new workout set and I've been dying to wear it. I haven't worn it yet. Today's the day. I'm so pumped. This is gonna just put me in the mood. So it's an Amazon one. I ordered it because I love my blue set so much that I went to this same brand on Amazon and I ordered another one. It's supposed to be like a charcoal gray. Kind of looks like blue toned, but I'm pumped. I just love the material so much of this one. However, we just can't with the pads. Like, I don't have boobs in the first place, but I just feel like with the pads, I feel so like, I don't know. So there's nothing like a new workout set. There's just not. Hourglass who? The workout is just gonna hit today, okay? I know it. Like, I am guilty of sometimes literally just working out in like the sweatpants that I have on. But a new set, literally nothing. Nothing compared. Like this, like why don't I do this every time? I need to start doing this every time because it makes me so happy. Maybe this is how I will get myself to work out in the mornings. And then I think we'll also do like a dark gray zip up because it is cold. It's actually like warmer out today though. It's I think like mid 40s, which is insane. Okay, but can we also talk about how I've had like a curvier body, I swear, like my entire life, like not even just like after puberty, like I don't know, I just swear like I came out of the womb with like these hips or something. I don't even know. But I hated it, right? I hated it in middle school. And like that was like weird. Like that I hated it. And now I'm just like, Kim K, you have some competition. Okay, not that dramatic, but like sometimes I look in the mirror and I'm like, dang, look at those curves. And just, you have to look at yourself that way. You know, you have to look at yourself and just be like, damn, who is that? Who is she? This morning workout is like getting into my head. I don't know, man. Cannot forget the sunscreen. We are keeping this skin as good as we can. Let's go for a walk. Bruh. The sun is an absolute game changer right now. Are you kidding? I am thriving out here. I feel like it's spring. It feels like spring. I wish it was spring. Every time I get back from a walk, I swear I'm in such a good mood, and I might be biased today because it's so sunny and nice out, but we're leaning into that workout. And you know, usually in the morning I'm like, I just can't do it, my body can't sweat. But like the fact that I went into today thinking like I'm gonna work out this morning, and I just went for like a really nice sunny walk, I'm feeling motivated. Like I'm feeling like I'm gonna get there. I do need to eat something though. I've been awake for far too long before I work out harder. Like I just need food in my body. I need fuel. Greek yogurt and homemade granola. I will link this recipe. I love it. So tired. Okay, something else new we're doing today. I have never tried pre-workout. I know, crazy, right? So we're gonna try it today. This is by Bloom. It's raspberry lemonade. It does have caffeine, and I know I already had coffee. I'm not like sleepy. I'm just like losing. I know I literally like a second ago was like, wow, I'm like feeling excited, motivated, ready to work out. I'm feeling motivated, like I'm feeling like I'm gonna get there. After eating breakfast, I feel like each minute that goes by, I'm gonna like slowly slip out of it and not wanna work out anymore. So I'm staying on my feet, I'm not gonna sit down, and I'm gonna attempt pre-workout. This does have caffeine in it. It says it's from green tea leaf extract. I don't even know how you take this. Like, do you put it in water? Like, I've never had it. I actually won this like in a giveaway. Isn't that kind of crazy? I've never worked with Bloom before, but that would definitely be like a dream collab for me. I'm trying to get the paper off and I just breathed in it and I blew pre-workout in my eyes. Oh my god. Oh. Anyways, I saw that Bloom just came out with a protein powder and I really want to try it. Okay. It's pretty in pink. I love that. Oh, it tastes good. I don't know if this seems like an abundance of caffeine to you, but I just love coffee so much. Like, it's my favorite part of the day. I had to have some when I woke up this morning, and then this. Hopefully this gets me going. 15 to 30 minutes before exercising for your best workout yet. Great. Let's do this. Of course I have my setup. I have my iPad for my little entertainment, and then there is the screen right here. Of course I'm gonna start this workout with the 12-3-30. Why would I not? Especially if I'm trying to get into morning workouts, maybe like starting out with incline walking is just great. Definitely more rigorous than like the walk I just took my dog on, but like I don't have to think super hard right now, right? This is just my nature. Like it'll be good. It's a great thing to start out with, but I do want to do more workouts after this today. However, I am sore from just like previous workouts in the previous few days. Let's get to it.
Started doing this, but now I anything going on. I've just been like kind of hyper aware of germs and stuff.
I'm not gonna lie, this is so hard right now. Sweat glow.
Fashion risk and stay. Yeah. I guess we're gonna cover. My problem is I grow too much hair to the point where
I feel good. My face is so red. I stood 45 minutes on there. I did the 12-3-30 advanced, as I like to call it, because I up the speed in the incline as I go, and I do that for like 31.5 minutes, and then I start cool down. So the last like 14-ish minutes, it was a cool down where I lessened both the speed and the incline. I feel so good though. I want to say I felt the pre-workout. I don't know. I always think working out in the morning is so hard because I just feel like my body is just not ready to sweat. And like, yes, it was hard, but like I didn't feel like quitting. I never put my hands in the bar. You know, like, I don't know. Maybe the pre-workout did help. Maybe I'll have to like take it a few times and like experiment, test out to see if it really worked. I honestly could so easily be done working out right now, but I'm not gonna. I want to do 2 10-minute workout videos, 1 arm dumbbell thing, and then 1 like booty band. And you know, you just gotta remember, it's 10 minutes. It's just 10 minutes. It's literally just 10 minutes. I did this one the other day, clearly. I mean, you can see that I watched it, but I did 8 pounds and it was way too heavy for me. So I'm gonna do 5s today and see if that is a lot better. Let's go.
so I'll be using 2 8-pound dumbbells, but
Yeah, like if she's doing 8, there's no way I should be doing 8, you know? Oh my gosh, these extending my arm out forward is when I had the 8-pounders. I was like, bruh, I cannot do this. 5 is much better for my level right now. Are you serious? Are you serious? Really, the biggest con about working out in the mornings is that now I can't wear this workout set all day because like I'm sweaty and I have to take a shower. But like I'd love to just like wear these, but like it's used, like I have to take it off, you know? Okay, I'm gonna shower. I do feel fantastic though, I'm not gonna lie. My thoughts on morning workouts are as follows. I may never be a get up at 6, take a shot of pre-workout, and hop right into the gym by like 6:30 in the morning type of girl. However, I do like not waiting till after dinner to work out. The thing is, if I find a happy medium, you know, I don't actually start like my real day till like pretty late. Like it's like lunchtime right now, you know, and it's like I haven't gotten any like emails or like any of that stuff like out of the way, and that is what I hate. Like that's usually why I would work out so late, is because I literally would like wake up, make coffee, and like hop on the computer. And it's kind of like finding a happy medium, because for me, because I'm so flexible, I know that if I start my day late, that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna get stuff done, because like I will work late. Like because I love doing all this stuff, like can I even call it work, right? Like yes, this is how I make money and like whatever, but because I like it so much, like I don't ever like clock out. I don't treat it like a 9 to 5. Like a lot of times I will edit till, you know, midnight or whatever, or like just whatever fits in my schedule, or like I don't know, sometimes I'm just work really late. And so I feel like if I start, you know, moving my workouts up earlier in the day, because I'm so like lucky that that's an option for me, my day will start later, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it will be like all thrown off, you know? I don't know. I do feel good. I'm happy. I'm like ready to eat a healthy lunch. Like it's been a good morning, that's for sure. And I feel like I took forever to work out, and I could cut the walking shorter. Like I don't have to spend a full 45 minutes, and a lot of times I'll even go longer on the treadmill when I'm also doing other workouts on top of that. And when I take my dog for a, you know, good 45-minute workout outside as well. But I just like it. You know, after I do the 12-30, I just like to keep going. I like the cool down. I like the therapy, and it's just good. But now I feel like better about my body throughout the day almost. Like I like working out at night because I feel like I get to sweat away the day. But in the morning, I feel like it does set you up for success. And I like feel more confident already. And I like that a lot. I'm about to make lunch and probably another coffee and get back to work, but I know I'm not putting any like meat in my lunch because I finished the chicken that I had out yesterday. So So will I convert to be a morning workout girly? Probably not, but I think I will do them more. But this was fun. I don't know where I'd be without the 12 through 30 for my mental sanity. I wanna know when you work out, tell me. Leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not. This is your reminder to get your workout in for the day. I am rooting for you, I love you, and I will see you in my next one.